What is going on, everybody? Justin here with Alpha Wash, and today I want to show you how to properly roll up a hose reel. See, there's a lot of improper ways to do it, and our guys have showed me every improper way that you can do it. So I want to take just a minute. This video won't be very long, and show you all how to do it, make it look neat, and actually make it easier to unroll. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it for y'all. So the key is to make it stay tight against each other and to make it stay tight against the reel. So what I like to do is I like to hold down below the reel right here, and you got it with that hand, and I make sure that it's sitting right against this hose. And when you get down to the end, you want to do the same thing on the way back. You don't want to cross the hose. That's what causes issues. And if you get a little space, just pull it back out. And that's how it's done. So you don't want it crossing over each other or anything like that. This is going to unroll smoothly. So hope y'all can find some value in this. We'll catch y'all later.